Today I'm still in the search, looking for any trace of any animal so that we can try also to investigate together. And wow, look what we have here. This is amazing. Look at this one. Look at this one. I mean, the way it looks like, you can easily see that the wings, as you can see, this one is an insect, and it's trying to it's literally trying to move away because I've really invaded its privacy, and it's not happy. But again, we're going to just understand it a little bit, what it's actually made up of. It's a true insect, as you can see. It has wings, which means it can fly, and I'm just going to try to stop it so that we can look at it keenly. It's not happy. It's not happy what I'm doing to it, but then I'm not going to harm it per se. I'm just going to be polite a little bit to see if it can also behave. Kindly, let me see how many legs you have. Yeah, there you go. Yeah, briefly. Yeah, you can see the head. Actually, it's amazing. Look at it. It has 3 body parts. That's the head, the thorax, and then the abdomen. You can see from here. These are the wings. And these wings are actually colored, as you can see. I don't know if it is for camouflage. I don't know. But pros, such animals that have very colored body parts, mainly, they're adapted to I think they're just adapted to the environment, and they tend to fit well in a very free environment that we don't have so many predators that can actually attack them. So they really enjoy their mechanisms. This one has an antenna, as you can see. It's trying to actually run away from what I'm trying to do to it. But a closer look, you will see that the body parts are, as you can see. Let me try to zoom it a little bit so that we have a closer look. A closer zoom to it, you'll see that actually it has 3 body parts. Then the antenna, you can see there, those are the front legs, and let me try to move it a little bit closer again for you to see. Yeah, you can see the compound eyes, the way they are. It's amazing. This an animal that anybody would like to understand it and to study. So that is it for now. Let me release it and allow it to go. Now you're free to go. You're free to go. You're free to go. You can go now. You can go now. I'm sorry if I've offended you, but cut. I found another one here. I can easily identify it. It's an insect. It's called a meal moth. This type of insects are mainly found in regions that are actually not so dry per se, but they are found almost everywhere where you have flowering plants. But then this type of meal moth, they are known to attack, their larvae are known to attack grains, stored grains. At their early age, they can actually infest. They are mainly pests as well. And a closer look at this type of an insect. Let me try to zoom it closer for us to have a look at it. A closer look at it. I hope my camera can be able to see it clearly. You can actually see those are the front legs. They are so long. Then that is the antenna. You can see it. And then we have the eyes, compound eyes. We have the other body parts. We have the wings, and you can see how the wings are colored. So this is a very good species to investigate. And maybe perhaps if I just avoid so much close up, you can see these it's an insect. It can fly. It has 3 body parts, and reproduce actually a lot. Scientific study shows that they actually can have multiple reproduction per year. So here it is. The animal of the day today is meal moth. Let me zoom it for you again. They are known as meal moth. That's a closer look. A closer look will reveal a lot about this animal. Look at that, it's the antennae. Zoom in for you. And then those are the compound eyes. So that's it for today. That is it for you today. That's a closer look for you today. It's actually it's visited by another friend here. You can see there is another animal here next to it. I think it looks like also this kind of an animal. Surely, look at it. It's moving closer to it. Let me try to move it closer. Let me see this one animal. I think it's just an insect, so not to worry a lot about it. But yeah, that's it. Trying to move, and what I'm trying to do is I'm trying to really understand how it really maneuver the difficulties of life, and trying to see it closer. A closer look reveals a lot about this. It's an amazing animal. Just have a look at it. A closer look tells a lot about this animal. Though it is young, though it is small, though it is very small insect, but its features really gives it ability to survive and to encounter life challenges. So I'm trying to understand its ability, its abdomen, its head, its thorax, and the body parts, you see. So this is the closest I think I can reach, and it's a good close-up. And what really makes me happy is how such an animal has these features. So that's it for now. As you can see it, this is called meal moth.